JRF Ortho exists to provide solutions for surgeons that can enhance the lives of patients. There's quite a few things that set JRF Ortho apart in our world of cartilage transplants. One is the availability of tissue. With our partnership with AlloSource and Community Tissue Services, further than that, they're recovery groups that are scattered throughout the country. We are able to fulfill those custom orders that nobody else can.
So I take this recipient socket.
I think it's our job to educate these surgeons about innovative products out there that can help their practice.
We basically pop it in.
Sometimes a surgeon wants to practice a procedure that they will be performing in the operating room. So I call JRF, where I can obtain research tissue for that procedure. I literally can call them and get the graft the same day sometimes, or maybe the next day, and accommodate the surgeon's needs. Arthex, we have the products to put those allografts in the human body, but we need that research tissue. So we partnered with them in developing new techniques and new ideas, this triad, Arthex, JRF, and the surgeon.
The surgeons or whoever reaching out to us because the patient just has no other option.
My relationship with JRF has been phenomenal. They've supported me as a resident, as a fellow, and also as an attending, and it's been terrific. For me to be able to help other patients live their life, whatever it might be, there's no better gift than that.